and welcome. My name is Mira, and today I want to try make a Mochi snow rabbit. I think they call that. I have made some before, though I'm not that proud of them. But we see how it goes this time. Alright, now we're on to the working surface. And to spare you guys time, I have pre-conditioning or conditioned all of the colors that I need. Let's start with the colors. We have white here, which is gonna be the body. We have green, which is gonna be the leaves. And now it's getting small. Then we have the black eyes, which of course is gonna be the eyes. Then we have the blush, that's pink. And then we're gonna have some little, what are they called? Shine cover-y in the eyes. Yeah, so this is kind of like what we're gonna work with today. And of course, as you can see over there, it's super tiny. And now onto the body. I actually have no clue how to make it like in a better way, but hey, we just try. Let's see here. And it's always a good advice to have Bob Ross' amazing speeches in your head when you are doing any type of, whatever you're actually doing. It motivates you. That was just a little side note. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Press it down a little and then Well, actually so far I feel like it's going okay. We can always fix afterwards, hopefully. And then we go over to the ears, which is my favorite part. I don't know if you can hear the sarcasm in that. Ah, come on. I don't know if it's true or not, but I at least want to get as much of the dirt off as I can, so it's not gonna be a problem later on, but I could be wrong. Could be that it's actually best to not remove too much so you don't ruin your curves and whatever. I don't know. But I don't know unless I try. Okay, that sounded... Maybe I should just become a cowboy. And what I'm trying to do actually is turn it into a leaf looking like, or look-alike. But the problem with these so-called ears is that I never get them to look similar. I can, for example, fall in love with this one and be like, yeah, that's perfect. And then I go over to the other one and then suddenly it becomes a problem. Because then the other one does not look at all similar to what I just made. So see, now we have one. Let's see if this one can come to look a little similar to the other one. Okay, let's compare. I guess we don't get closer than that. At least what I want to do is give it a little sharper edge. And the same with this one. I'm not quite sure if I should poke holes to make the eyes, or if I should put... I poke holes, yeah. I poke holes. Okay. And when I do this, I'm so good at ruining the shape because okay. I need to take it up here because yes. All right. Then what I want to do with this sleeve is that I want to make a dent in it. And we are gonna use this little guy here. And what I would like to do is pinch it like this and gently kind of like that. This hole bothers me, but that's because there's a hole on this tool, and right now I sadly don't have something that's not, what am I even saying? I would just try without ruining anything. And then I'm gonna do the same. Well, at least that dot thing did not become that bad this time. Carefully stretching it. Yeah. All right, and then we attach it to the body. I really should have shaped my nails. I'm scared that I'm gonna make dents and stuff. I actually have a feeling I made the ears way too big for this little guy. Let's say it's fine here. Another exciting part. Putting that eye in. Okay. I try to press it a little in. Guess that's fine. And then the other one. And then we're gonna press it a little gently again. Sorry if I'm whispering. I'm extremely concentrated. Now for that kawaii look. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Wait a second. Then the lower. Wait a sec. Get off. I'm shaking so much. Okay. I really should shape my nails. Now I made another dent. Oh, great. Whoa, no. Hey, you don't do that to me. You get back. Okay. And then for the last part is the blush. And I'm thinking putting it. Ooh, I guess you can see it. Maybe if I want to focus. No? Yeah. But there is a little microscopic hair and I don't want it there. Okay, now we try again. And don't mind all the dust and stuff on this little creature here. We will try remove it when it's baked. Just like that. Maybe it's easier to add with my finger. this is how it looks. It's better than I expected, but again, I added the blush a little too close to the eyes. At least this one. And I don't think I can save it. Fine, we'll turn it into charm. This looks wrong, but bear with me. Okay, now it has a butthole. Yes. So this is the end result. Apart from some small mistakes here and there, and yeah, most of it, I'm actually okay with it. It's actually okay this time compared to in the last video where I tried to make a kawaii bunny charm. Yeah, that one is was a catastrophe. If you haven't seen it, I'll make sure to link it in the description down below. And this one got approved enough to get a charm, or turned into a charm. And here's the end result. Sorry for my red face. When I attached all these small details, I hold my breath because it was so nerve-wracking. I can see there is some mistake behind here that suddenly have appeared. But other than that, I think it turned out okay. It looks kind of like the same as the other one I have made. As I said earlier, I tried to make others, but they all have their own little flaws. Personalities, yes. Yeah, but here it is. But that's it for this time. Make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if there's anything you think I should do better, or if there's anything you want me to try and make. Other than that, have a great day. Bye.